Welcome to the Center for Career and Personal Development. What we focus on is helping students navigate through their university experience from beginning to end. You can find us in our 2 spaces in the MacEwan Student Center just past the bookstore. We know that transition to university can be a big challenge. To help with this, we have events to get you started. We begin the school year by welcoming you with new student orientation, where you explore campus, have fun, and meet others in your program. Next, we have the Campus Expo, where you can interact with many of the resources and services available to you. That way, you'll know where to go when you need help. Throughout your time on campus, CCPD provides supports that help you focus on your career and personal development. Learn about what being a leader means to you, consider becoming an orientation leader, get involved as a peer helper, or gain experience by completing a microplacement. We also have numerous activities and roles on and off campus to contribute to your leadership and connection to the university community. When it's time, we also have resources for all your career and job search needs. Our advisors can help you put together a resume, practice for interviews, and find out what your strengths and interests are. There will also be opportunities to chat and connect with many employers that come to campus and discover what opportunities they have for students. We know there's a lot to manage as a student, and to help you navigate, we use life design and design thinking to help you define and explore what's meaningful to you and how you can make the most of your university experience. At its core, life design is about trying stuff, taking small but empowering steps forward to problem solve, explore ideas, and test out possibilities, and to reflect and learn from experiences. At the Life Design Hub, you can find free workshops and events being held through the year. When the Hub is not hosting an event, stop by and take a break or study. Another great on-campus space for you to check out is the Campus Food Hub. Located in Crow's Nest Hall, just across the street from the Olympic Oval and beside Lot 11, this is a student-centered space focused on making food affordable. Here you can get groceries for great prices and enjoy their weekly breakfast and lunch programs. The Campus Food Hub also hosts cooking classes and workshops to promote positive relationships with food. This is a great place to eat well, meet new friends, and even volunteer to help out your fellow students. Stay fueled and keep focused. Now, of course, we can't forget about the fun stuff. Throughout the school year, we host many events for you to connect with others, have fun, and try new things. Follow us on social media to be the first to know about upcoming events. And finally, at the end of the school year, we celebrate by hosting the UCalgary Strong Festival for the campus community to gather for a day of music, games, and a bunch of good vibes. To keep up to date with all our offerings, be sure to check Elevate, as this is where you go to book appointments, register for workshops and events, and view job opportunities. For information, give us a follow, visit our websites, or email us anytime. See you soon!